Hello friends, welcome to my workbook. We will be learning and practicing all about water images in this video. Can you see a bird standing next to a water body? The red square on the top shows the actual image of the bird. The blue square at the bottom shows the reflection of the bird on the water. This reflection of the bird on the water is called the water image. The water image of any object is the vertically inverted version of its real image. In the real image, the beak is on the top right corner of the square, whereas in the water image, the beak is positioned at the bottommost right corner of the square. So, to get the water image of any object, we have to vertically invert it. Based on this concept, many questions are asked in various talent search and placement exams. We will practice all such questions in this video. Best way to get the hang of water images is to practice with the alphabets. So in this slide you can see all the alphabets and its water image. All we have to do is just turn the alphabet upside down. It helps when you trace for each alphabet and practice. Similarly, you can practice water images for lowercase letters and numbers as well. Now, one important point here is in a water image, we have to only turn the image upside down. Let's take alphabet F. Its water image will be like this. The right side of the image will again appear on the right side only. Do not turn the object right to left or left to right like this. This is wrong. Left becomes right and right becomes left only in case of mirror images, and that is called lateral inversion. I have already posted a detailed video on mirror images, so kindly check it out if you have not seen it yet. As far as water images are concerned, we only have to turn the object upside down. The top becomes bottom and the bottom becomes top. Here you can see the numbers 0 to 9 and its respective water image. In exams, mostly words or strings or shapes will be given, and we will have to choose the correct water image from the given 4 options. So first let's practice with the word family. Let's first see if we can eliminate any of the incorrect options. In water images, like I told you, there is only vertical inversion. Top becomes bottom and bottom becomes top. Left and right remains intact. So the leftmost alphabet F will remain only in the left side of the water image. Based on that, we can eliminate option A and option B because the leftmost alphabet F has gone to the rightmost space here. So actually the word has been flipped sideways in both A and B. So this is not possible in water images, hence we eliminate A as well as B. Now let's flip each letter one by one to get its actual water image. In option D, we can see that the water image of alphabet F is incorrect. It has been turned sideways. So option D is also wrong and the correct option will be option C. Let's move on to the next word. 100 is the given word and we need to choose its correct water image from the 4 options given. Option A can be eliminated. Why? Because H is the leftmost alphabet but it is coming here in the right corner. So they have flipped the word sideways as well, and this never happens in water image, so right away eliminate option A. Let's flip the letters one by one to see which is the correct water images. Let's first turn H upside down. Based on the water image of H, we can eliminate option D because H has been turned sideways as well. So this is not the correct water image of H. Hence I am eliminating D. In both B and C, the water image of H is intact. You can see here the D's water image is wrong in option C. This is the correct water image of D. So option C is wrong and only option B is correct. Some of the alphabets have also been turned sideways to make the choices challenging, especially lowercase d. The correct water image of lowercase d would be this. However, in option C, the water image of D has been given like this. Hence, option C is wrong and only option B is the correct answer. In exams, images like these are also given and we need to choose its water image from the 4 given options. Choosing the correct water image might be tricky for such images. Remember to always stick to the rule. In case of water images, top is bottom, bottom is top. Left and right remains intact. Now let's first talk about this element where there is a small vertical line with a ring at the top. Since the ring is at the top in its water image, the ring should be at the bottom. So option A can be ruled out because the ring and the short segment is pointing sideways. B, C, D, in all the options the ring is at the bottom. Coming to the next element, which is the arrow which is pointing downwards. The arrow head is in the left bottom corner. So in the water image, the arrow head should again be on the left, but instead of bottom, it should be on the top. So here the arrow has not been inverted. It is just as such given in the question. So option C is wrong. In option B, the arrowhead has moved from left part of the frame to the right side of the frame. So this is wrong as well. In option D, you can see that the arrowhead has come to the left top part of the square frame. So this is the correct water image of the given question. There is one method which can be followed to get the water images of such shapes. Name the edges as A, B and C, D. Now let's keep the bottom side CD as reference. So CD will be fixed here and imagine that we are flipping the square shape upside down. So AB will come to the bottom. This will be the inverted square frame, CD on top and AB at the bottom. Based on these edges, we can redraw this image. The ring is between A and B, so the ring will come here between A and B. The arrowhead is close to edge C, so the arrowhead will be close to edge C. The end of the arrow is close to B, so the end will be here, close to B. And connect it, you will get the inverted image of the arrow. So this will be the vertically inverted version of the given image. And so option D is correct. Moving on to the next image. Immediately after looking at the options, we can eliminate one of the options. Which one is it? It's A. The left side element has moved to the right section of the frame. So this cannot be the water image. In all the remaining options, the vertical line on the left side is on the left side of the square frame. Now let's talk about this circle here. In the question figure, the circle is at the bottom half. So in the water image, the circle has to be at the top half. Here in option D, the circle is again at the bottom half. So eliminate this option as well. Now we are left with two options, B and C. Let's talk about this triangle element. The triangle is at the top half in the question. So in the water image, the triangle should be at the bottom half. In both B and C, the triangle is at the bottom half. However, When you flip or vertically invert this image, the triangle as such will be inverted. So the peak which is facing the north will be facing the south in its water image. So when you have a triangle and turn it upside down, this will be the water image. Hence option B is the correct answer and option C is wrong. Question number 5. In the question, the top half of the circle has been shaded. So in the water image, which half will be shaded, the top or the bottom? It's the bottom half. So we can eliminate option C because in option C, top half of the circle has been shaded. So option C can be eliminated right away. Now focus more on this curved line here, which separates the shaded and the non-shaded region. When we flip the circle upside down, this curved line will be inverted like this. It's not option D because this is not the curve that we get. And option B, the curve is the same as the one given in the question. So this is also wrong. The water image of this curve is exactly replicated in option A. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 6. We have a hexagon with a solid circle and the arrow pointing upwards. Option B stands out, right? The arrow on the right side has moved to the left side. This never happens in water image, so right away eliminate it. The solid circle is on the left top, so in the water image the circle will move to the left bottom. So we can eliminate option D because the position of the circle is wrong in option D. Now option A or option C, which is the correct answer? In the actual image, the arrow is pointing upwards. So in the water image, the arrow will be pointing downwards, correct? Because we are vertically turning it upside down. So the correct option will be A and C is wrong because the arrow is facing north in this option. By considering the elements one by one, we can easily find which is the correct water image from the given options. The main hint to find water image is that top becomes bottom and bottom becomes top. Never interchange the left and the right segments of the image. So that's the end of this video, my friends. Hopefully it was useful for your exam preparation. Meet you all soon with another learning video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.